Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz C Class 2.1 C250d Sport Premium 7G-Tronic Plus, which is a diesel automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in a selenite grey metallic. To start off with, then you have your LED high performance headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. You also have 17-inch 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels, really complementing the selenite grey exterior colour. This vehicle also has a tow bar, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find you've got an electronic boot lid, and once open you can find a substantial amount of boot space you could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black Artico leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you have that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. This vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are both electronically adjustable as well as being memory seats, allowing you to resume your natural driving position, and they are also heated. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and buttons for your information panel. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 46,287 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your Mercedes infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And as well as this, you also have your Mercedes Drive Select, which has a variety of different driving modes, so you can find one suited to you and your driving style. And you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz C Class 2.1 C250d Sport Premium 7G-Tronic Plus that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.